Hi, welcome back. If you're new to my channel, I am Kathy and I do food and product reviews. And today is a first, Crumbl Cookies. So my friend Eric, the endorsement, sent me a text telling me he was reviewing the Buttermilk Pancake cookie from Crumbl, and it looks so good. And usually I'm not tempted by a lot of these cookies because my daughter always tells me what's new for each week. But this one stood out to me. I was like, I gotta try that. So that was actually for last week. So if you're not familiar with Crumbl, they have 4 new cookies every week, and then they have 2 of the same. The sugar cookie and chocolate chip they always have, and then they have 4 other new cookies each week. And they kind of rotate. I don't think some probably come back more frequently than others. But I think this Buttermilk Pancake is new. So that was last week's, but I think if they still have some of the ingredients left, it'll carry over till the next week. Because when I went in to order, I ordered, it's almost kind of, if you've never been in a Crumbl, it's kind of like, I don't know, I feel like it's an Apple store for cookies, if that makes sense. I don't know, just the look, the feel of it. So I just went up to the little iPad and just placed my order on that. And I didn't think I was going to be able to get the pancake, but it was still available. Okay. So here we go. Ooh. So this one here is the gingerbread cake. This one is the pancake. This one is Mom's recipe. And this one is a chocolate featuring York. So it has like a York patty right there. So yeah, so I am excited to try these. They smell really, really good. All right, I'm gonna start with the Buttermilk Pancake. It's a warm buttermilk pancake cookie glazed with buttermilk syrup and finished with a dollop of buttercream frosting. So that looks like the butter. All right, I'm not gonna bite into these. So I will share them with my kids. All right, and I don't need that much, so, all right. I wanna get a little bit of the butter. So cute. So stinking cute. This one is served warm. It's like a mini pie. It's like a mini pie. Oh yeah. I get the pancake flavor. It reminds me like a pancake mix. I guess I was hoping for if it would have like a maple flavor to it. I'm not getting any maple. You know, it just says a buttermilk syrup. But it's good. That's a good one. I think they'll be bringing that one back. All right, the gingerbread. All right, so the gingerbread cake. It's a soft, cakey gingerbread cookie topped with a rich layer of cream cheese frosting and garnished with mini gingerbread man sprinkles. Little gingerbread man. All right. Oh, I smell the gingerbread. Look at that. Look, it looks like, it's so cute. It's like a piece of pie. Cream cheese icing is really good. I think you'll like this. This is really good. It's soft. See it there? It's soft. It's not a crunchy cookie at all. But it says cakey gingerbread, but I don't think cakey. But very good flavor. I went on their Facebook page and I was reading some of the comments, and I guess the gingerbread cake is back from last year, and a lot of people are excited. That was one of their favorites, and also the Mom's recipe, which I'm gonna try now. So there's a couple other ones I didn't get. It's a warm sugar cookie sprinkled with red and green sprinkles, topped with a warm pool of white chocolate and Mother's Reindeer Game cookies. So you know, like the animal cracker cookies, that's what that one was. The other one I didn't get was the eggnog. So it's a chilled, soft eggnog sugar cookie topped with sweet, spiced eggnog frosting and dusted with nutmeg. So those are the 2 that I didn't get that are available for the week of the 6th through the 11th. And like I said, probably go into the next week too. But all right, they're so big. Mom's recipe. A warm oatmeal cookie packed with semi-sweet chocolate, toffee, and peanut butter chips, topped with a sprinkle of sea salt. Yum. Soft. I love them soft. Love a soft cookie. You can see the peanut butter chips and chocolate chips. You can see that there. Excited. I the peanut butter. This is good. Really good. So I get the oatmeal. It's a very soft cookie. Get the chocolate and peanut butter. I'm not getting the toffee. They're really good. I just didn't get a piece of toffee in this one slice. Try another one. I do get the salt. The salt kind of comes at the end. Let me see. Maybe. Still not really getting the toffee, but I do get the peanut butter and the chocolate chip. They're really good. It'd be very dangerous. All right, up next, it is the chocolate York cookie. It's a serve chilled. It's a chilled dark chocolate cookie stuffed with a creamy mint filling topped with a swirl of semi-sweet chocolate and a York peppermint patty. I am a fan of the peppermint patty. So that's cute. It's like one of the little mini ones. All right. Look at that. It's in there. It's filled. Let's try it. It's soft. Tastes like a York peppermint patty. It's really good. You know, when I originally I have had these once before, and honestly, I wasn't that impressed. With these, I'm really impressed with. These are good. Maybe it's just the flavors that I got. So the cookie itself is good. Yeah, I don't have any filling left in this one. What's good, it's very rich, dark chocolate. But yeah, once you get that mint in there, if you like York peppermint patties or any type of mint in chocolate, I think you would enjoy this. These are super good. I wish I didn't like them. So I didn't eat them. Because like I said, my daughter will look every week and see which one looks good and wants me to go buy one. But let me show you. So a single cookie is $3.83. So once you put on tax, it's $4. And then when I'm ordering at the little iPad, I ask for if you want to give a tip, and then I usually give a tip, so it ends up being like $5. So I was like, if you want to buy you one, I'll do it. I only will get one on special occasions, I guess. I won't go all the time. You can get a 4-pack for $12.29. You can get a 6-pack for $18.10, or you can get a party pack, which is 12 cookies for $31.54. But I think these would make for a great Christmas gift for someone maybe you're not super close with, just maybe a neighbor or the mailman, or maybe you're going to get your hair done, something like that, and you don't know what to give a person. I think these would be great. Great. And you know, then if you get for a gift, $12, isn't it $12.29 or whatever. It's not a bad price for a gift, and it's fun. It's something different. And I love the box. I love the box. I love the pink box. It reminds me, pink box, so cute. It reminds me of when I was a kid. There was a bakery at the mall, and they always had pink boxes, and they had the string came down from the ceiling to tie the box. I love that. That's what it reminds me of. But I think it's so cute. So yeah, they are very good, and it's a large cookie. So maybe it's not as overpriced as I think, because it is a good quality cookie. But I just can't justify spending that much all the time. But special occasions, I will buy them. So yeah, I think they're good. I wasn't disappointed in any of these. So yeah, so if you've tried any of them, let me know what you think. And like I said, hopefully I'll post this on the 7th. Hope this is the 7th. If I'm posting that maybe you could still get this one. But the other one should be around till probably early next week if you want to give them a try. So I'm curious to see what the next week will be, if there'll be more holiday cookies or not. So yeah, so do you like Crumbl cookies? If you do, which one's your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. All right, that brings me to the question of the day. No, yes, question of the day. What is your favorite holiday cookie? What's your favorite Christmas cookie? Let me know in the comments below. I'm not sure I have one, but if you have one that you love, that you think is amazing and everyone should know about it, could you email me the recipe? And I would like to, I haven't made anything on my channel in a while, so I would like to do that for the holidays. So if you think you have the best Christmas cookie, please send me the recipe and I will make it. All right, I hope you have a wonderful day. I appreciate you watching and I will see you next time. Bye.